And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can remove a green screen. I've used a simple animation with a green background. Process is the same. We can just sample this color. To do that, make sure your clip is selected in the timeline. I use the default layout and then I'll find video, and right next to basic cutout there's a chroma key option. Maybe the drop down isn't open, so open it, check it, use the color picker and then sample the color that you want to have removed. In the case of a green screen or a green background, we need the green color, and then this color swatch has changed to green. We can now use the strength to adjust what color range that surrounds our sampled color will be deleted. In my case, I can go very high, but not too high. You can see right here the white parts in the head and the beard. They're also getting removed. We don't want that. There's also a shadow option. So if you use a real life example and there's a shadow involved of the person that's on the green screen, you can use this slider. In our case, we don't need it, but I go up for the strength to around 90, something like this. And then we're good to go. Let me roll it. You can see the green color has been removed fully. And you can use that to remove any color. So that is, for example, sample red. And I can easily get rid of that. And this is how you can remove a green screen using CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.